Stigma to me is when a person has, specific to mental illness, when a person is struggling to achieve mental wellness and the community around them, the people that they reach out to for help, or the people that are interacting in their daily life with them are not supportive and say things that are harmful.
People either feel different because they have a mental health condition or some symptoms of a condition, or they're afraid that other people will perceive them as different. They may feel ashamed. They may be afraid to talk about it.
I never told anybody about my diagnosis. Probably because I was scared of being labeled.
Honestly, I think the majority of us have had to deal with some stigma related to mental illness, and oftentimes it's why we don't talk about it.
If parents are first seeing symptoms in their children, or they know that they have a mental health diagnosis, I think the easiest step is just to seek professional help.
Our system is set up on a medical model. Our system requires certain labels. If you want certain services for your child to do better in school, those services may require a label. And with that label, unfortunately, comes stigma sometimes.
All of the stigma, all of that energy that's coming in, use it as fuel to push out and engage in your child's life.
We want to protect, and sometimes when we're in that mode, it's hard for people to listen to us. Be the positive person in the room and change from within.
It's important for parents who are seeking resources as another resource, as another tool to put in your belt, and something that you might want to expand on is peer support services.
I would say that definitely the more people that you have supporting your family and child, and the more people you can connect with in a similar situation, you're really doing a lot to create that ripple effect against stigma. You're one group of people, and then say you touch some other group of people in the same town, in a different town, somewhere else in the state or country, and then all of a sudden you become, your group becomes double-sized. And there's a lot of people interested out there in talking about their own experiences to really kind of combat that stigma.
You're never going to be able to represent and support and advocate for your child if you don't believe in them.
So I guess I just want parents to remember to be brave and to not be afraid to speak about what's going on. Just simply and honestly, there's just real power in just speaking out and not trying to push something under the rug.
There are going to be situations where you want so badly to protect your kid from just the words that came out of somebody else's mouth. And the reality is, these are our life experiences. This is what we have to go through. Hopefully we can make it a little bit better, maybe even make a difference.